installment nga balay available here at Taguluan for as low as 7,000 per month. Hi guys, I'm back. This is Rev Kareen, your real estate partner. This is the actual turnover of Tierra Nava Taguluan compared with the model unit. Cement finish. And then, nice pa niyang door. And spacious pa ang likod, subject for extension. And here's the actual toilet. Complete na siya, na siya ay sink, shower, and the bowl. And upstairs, makita ninyo ang actual. So upon turnover, manalaman idea kung saan yung i-work out for the tiles, the partitions. But in here, in the second floor, na siya ceiling. Baba pa niya ang ceiling. Sit ako na
PVC na.
PVC ceiling. And then here's the kuan. So pwede na mo magkama po vinyl tiles. And mali mga actual windows and everything. Kung sa pay mong giulatan, very few units left. For more details, message me on the contact number below. So when's the best time to invest? It's now. Bye!